Top of the hour, we're beginning the bulletin with a breaking update where days after 4 incidents of temple vandalism that has been reported from the state of Andhra Pradesh, you have the Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy, who has finally ordered an inquiry, a CID inquiry into the cases of vandalism. A new idol that will be installed in the temples that have been attacked in the last few weeks that has been promised by the government, even the investigation that continues simultaneously. Now, the Chief Minister has now ordered for a CID inquiry almost after 4 incidents of temple vandalism that has been reported across the state of Andhra Pradesh. Many of those other political parties have been out on the streets protesting against the inaction by the state government and also by Jagan Mohan Reddy, and also they have been appealing to the opposition party that to not carry out protests and not continue with their protests as the investigation has now been initiated. A CID probe has been ordered by Jagan Mohan Reddy-led Andhra Pradesh government. Going across to Aneri for a quick update on the same. Aneri, 4 incidents of temple vandalism made the Chief Minister realize to order an inquiry.
Well, that's right, Amita. Now, when we speak about the incidents which have been taking place in the last 10 days, we have seen 4 incidents taking place in Andhra Pradesh. Well, all of these in different locations, let it be Vijayanagaram or let it be Vijayawada. Well, now when we speak about the opposition leaders, they have been raising questions against the state government that why no proper inquiry in this matter, because earlier also, a few months back, we had seen a lot of such incidents taking place. And now, finally, we also see Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy announcing that there will be an inquiry, there will be a CBI inquiry. But at the same time, Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy has raised a lot of questions that who is doing such incidents at a remote location where there's no CCTV. And also, at the same time, Chief Minister has hit it out at the opposition leaders and also putting after such incidents takes place, why do the opposition leaders have to go to the location and do such all things? And so now finally we see that Chandrababu Naidu had earlier asked for an CBI inquiry into these temple attacks, and now after all these allegations, we see the Andhra Pradesh government has finally responded to it and CBI inquiry has been ordered into the matter.
Right. Aneri, thanks very much for the update. So right after 4 incidents that have been reported and a lot of protests that has also been taken from the opposition parties, forced the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh to finally swing into action in order for a CID probe.